Hey y'all, hey, it's Amia Renee. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you guys how I installed these Boho knotless braids. So right now, I had this hair in for a week. I didn't want to put out my video without giving you an update on the hair. First, I'm going to show you the products that I used. Then we're going to jump into the tutorial. I've been using a lot of this Alpha G's Revitalizing Hairspray. I do have color in my hair. It's supposed to help rebuild body, protect color, and chemically treated hair. And I went back to one of my oldies but goodies on Jackie's, not on my watch. This is an instant detangler. I like to use this because I did not blow dry my hair. So when I shampoo my hair, condition it, I just let it air dry in like 5 jumbo plaits. So this right here helps me to detangle my hair. Before I start any protective hairstyle, I always put moisturizer in my hair. So I'm going to moisturize it with my DIY whipped shea butter. These parts I'm just making a square. Now this Gummy Professional has been my favorite edge control. Only thing I will say about this is it does leave a white cast. So I do have to go back with a oil and make sure I oil my scalp so it won't look a little white. But it holds really good, so can't complain too much. So with the actual braiding hair, so this is how much of the braiding hair I take apart. This is what I use. Just depends on how thick I want the braid to be. I don't want them to be too thick in the front, so use about that, you can see. And I'm going to use about 3 to 5 pieces of hair. So this is the 18-inch water wave. This hair feels so freaking good. Love it. And with this hair, I'm gonna come closer. I get me a nice amount of this little Gummy Professional, put it on the back of my hand, and I grab the thickness of what I want to use. About this thickness is what I'm going to be using, and I do about 3 to 4 pieces for each braid. There's no exact amount, it's just, you know, whatever I feel like that's enough. If I feel like I need more, I'll just grab a little bit more. And that's pretty much how I grab my pieces. They're already twisted together with the edge control. So since these are traditional braid-ins, I braid my natural hair down, separate it in 3 different parts. 1, 2, 3. Braid my natural hair only once. I'll go around one time. You see, 1. And then I'll grab one of the pieces of synthetic hair, snap it under. Don't go all the way back over yet. One little wrap around. Grab another piece of braiding hair. Now hopefully that makes sense. If not, my bad. One more piece of braiding hair. I'm going to add my first piece of EayonHair. So now that I got the piece of the human hair, put that to the side. and clip it. If my real hair is starting to get a little fuzzy, I'll just get some gel, edge control, and add it to my natural hair. Grab another piece of the human hair, fold it, don't worry about all this little hair sticking up because we're going to cut it. Some more of the braiding hair. Once the braiding hair starts to get thin on one side, I'll just grab a piece and add it back in. One more piece of the human hair. Last fourth piece, I'm going to add. So I did 1, 2, 3, and 4. These pieces that are sticking up, and that is it. Ta-da! So I'm going to do this 2 more times without all the talking. So that's how I installed these braids. Super easy. It took me about 12 hours. I didn't want the back to be small, so they're a little bit bigger. The parts are bigger than the front, because I know that adding this hair was going to make my braids look a little fuller anyway. And I didn't want them to be too long. I like my hair to be around waist length. So let me show you how long they are. A little bit waist length under, like right here. Show you my parts. Honestly, I never wanted to try this hairstyle because I've known girls who had this hairstyle and within a week or two they start cutting out the individual pieces of hair because they get tangled and matted and it's a mess. So I said, nope, I don't want to try them. Thank you to EayonHair for providing me with this hair. After they reached out to me, I said, you know what? I'll go ahead and give this hairstyle a try. And a week later, look at my hair. No kinks anywhere, not tangled. And all I put on this hair is water. Water. Oh, and the hair is so silky and smooth. I'm just so happy with this hair. Let me get a little closer so you can see. The hair is still nice and wavy. It feels so freaking good. Look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Like I said, it's been a week after I installed this hair. No shed hairs. Maybe a little teeny bit when I dipped my hair under the water, but it was only a couple strands, not a lot at all. And the first day when I installed my hair, I didn't show you this because I wouldn't want you to do it. I put some mousse and some oil on the hair. And I should have did that. It had so much build up and it felt slick. You know how when you wet tracks like curly hair and it's real flat to your head? That's what it looked like. So I did rinse that out. I would recommend just to use water. I don't want to put anything else on this hair. Beautiful by itself. Oh, and also on the ends of the braided hair, all I did was, I'll insert a video of what I'm talking about. I just braided a couple braids together at the end and then dipped it in hot water to give it this curly hair look, since I didn't add any curly hair on the end. So this is how my hair look. I really like it. So cute. Fun for the summertime. I will be keeping this in for at least 6 weeks. That's how long I keep my protective hairstyles in. I have more hair left over. I'm going to try like a twist hairstyle, jumbo twist, and add the curly hairs. If you want to see that video too, let me know. I'll do a tutorial on that. Let me know if you tried this hairstyle before, boho braids or boho twists. And did you like the hair that you used? Did it get kinky or not? If you want to try this hairstyle again with great quality hair that's inexpensive, look down in the description box below. I'll have a link to this hair down there. You can go ahead and grab you some. As always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Bye.